Rooster! Rackets!
Hi friends, I'm Trimore. What's your name? Thanks for coming to play with me today. Today we're going to learn how to say big and small in Shona. Can you say hombe? That's right, hombe. Hombe means big. Can you say Nikki? That's great. Good job, everybody. Nikki. Nikki means small. Come and take a walk with me. Let's find some things that are big and small. Hombe Nikki, hombe Nikki, hombe 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 Nikki, hombe Nikki, hombe Nikki, hombe 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 Nikki, hombe Nikki, hombe Nikki, hombe 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 Nikki, hombe Nikki, hombe Nikki, hombe 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 Nikki. Hona nzo iyo. Nzo iyo ihombe here kana kuti idiki. Hongo, nzo ihombe. Hona tsindi iyo. Tsindi iyo ihombe here kana kuti idiki. Hongo, tsindi idiki. Hona gomo iro. Gomo iro ihombe here kana diki. Hongo, gomo rihombe. Hona muuyu uyo. Muuyu uyo muhombe here kana kuti mudiki. Hongo, muuyu muhombe. Hona nguma iyo. Nguma ihombe here kana diki. Hongo, nguma ihombe. Hona mwana mucheche uyo. Mwana mucheche muhombe here kana kuti mudiki. Hongo, mwana mucheche mudiki. Hona masose ayo. Masvosve ayo mahombe here kana kuti madiki? Hongu, masvosve madiki. Big, small, big, small, big. So friends, what did we learn today? We learned that hombe means big. We also learned that diki means small. We saw things around us that are big and small. Can you remember the big things that we saw? We saw an elephant or nzo. We also saw a mountain or gomo. We also saw a whale or nguma. The last big thing that we saw was a baobab tree or mu'uyu. They are all so big. Do you remember the small things that we saw today? We saw a squirrel or tsindi. We also saw a cute happy baby or mwana mucheche. And the last small thing that we saw were teeny tiny ants or masvosve. We love discovering big and small things with you. Why don't you look around today? What big or small things can you find? Thanks for watching, friends. I'll see you again next time when we will be learning about near and far. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you get notified of our latest videos. See you later. Hombe diki, hombe diki, hombe 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 diki, hombe diki, hombe diki, hombe 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 diki. Hi friends, I'm Trimble. I am inside a box. And now I am outside the box. Look, I'm back inside the box. And now I'm back outside the box. We know how to say inside and outside, but how do you say it in Shona? You say mukati. That means inside. Well done! Now say panze. That means outside. Well done! You guys are great at this. Now, why don't we go and find some things that are inside and outside? Mokati, panze, mokati, panze. Mokati, panze, mokati, panze. Mokati, panze, mokati, panze. Hona mwana uyu. Mwana uyu ari mukati mebhazi here kana kuti panze pebhazi. hongu, mwana uyu ari mukati mebhazi. Hona vanhu ava vari kufamba panze here kana kuti mukati memba. Hongu, vanhu ava vari kufamba panze. Hona imbwa iyi. Imbwa iyi iri mukati medanga rembwa here kana kuti iri panze pedanga. Hongu, imbwa iri mukati medanga. Hona musikana uyu. Musikana uyu ari panze pemota here kana kuti ari mukati memota. Hongu, musikana ari panze pemota. Hona murume uyu. Murume uyu akamira panze pechivakwa here kana kuti ari mukati mechivakwa ichi. Hongu, murume uyu ari panze pechivakwa ichi. Hona musikana uyu. Musikana uyu ari panze pebhokisi here kana kuti mukati mebhokisi. Hongu, musikana ari mukati mebhokisi. Hona vanhu ava. Vanhu ava vari panze here kana kuti vari mukati memba. Hongu, vanhu ava vari panze. Hona bhokisi nengowani. Ngowani iri panze pebhokisi. Ngowani iri mukati mebhokisi. Ngowani iri panze pebhokisi. Mukati. Panze. Mukati. Panze. Mukati. So friends, what did we learn today? We learned that panze means outside. We also learned that mukati means inside. We also saw things around us that were inside and outside. Do you remember the things that we saw that were inside? The child was inside the bus. The dog was inside the kennel. The girl was inside the box. Do you remember the things that we saw that were outside? The couple were walking outside. The family was standing outside. The girl was outside the car. The man was standing outside the building. We loved learning about inside and outside today. Why don't you look around today? What things are inside or outside around you? Thanks for watching, friends. I'll see you again next time when we will be learning about tall and short. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Sarura Kids so you get notified of our latest videos. See you later! Hi friends, how you doing? It's Trimore here. Today we are going to learn about tall and short. My mummy says I'm very tall for my age. Wow. I guess I'm not as tall as that elephant though. Well, can you say refu? Well done! That means tall. And can you say fupi? Well done! That means short. Now that you know how to say refu and fupi, why don't we go for a walk and see what tall and short things we can find? Fupi, refu, fupi, refu, fupi, 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 refu, fupi, refu, fupi, refu, fupi, 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 refu. Fupi, refu, fupi, refu, fupi, 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 refu, fupi, refu, fupi, refu, fupi, 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 refu. Ona shoni iyi. Shoni iyi yakareba here kana kuti yakapfupika? Hongu, shoni iyi yakapfupika. Ona twiza iyi. Twiza iyi yakareba here kana kuti yakapfupika? Hongu, twiza iyi yakareba. Ona katsi iyi. Katsi iyi yakareba here kana kuti yakapfupika? Hongu, katsi iyi ipfupi. Ona murume ari kuridza gitare rake. Murume uyu murefu here kana kuti mupfupi? Hongu, murume uyu akareba. Ona tate dzvinyu iri. Tate dzvinyu iri rakareba here kana kuti rakapfupika? Hongu, tate dzvinyu iri rakarebesesa. Murume uyu akamira parutivi petate dzvinyu anoita kunge mupfupi. Huku idzi dzikamira parutivi pemurume dzinoita kunge dzakapfupikisisa. So friends, what did we learn today? We learned that fupi means short. We also learned that refu means tall. Do you remember what tall things we saw today? We saw a tall elephant or nzo. We saw a tall giraffe or twiza. We also saw a tall man or murume. But the tallest thing that we saw today was a dinosaur. Or tate dzvinyu. They are all pretty tall. Can you remember any of the short things that we saw today? We saw a hedgehog or shoni. We also saw a cat or katsi. The last short thing that we saw were some chickens or huku. That was so much fun learning about tall and short things with you, friends. Why don't you look around today and see what tall and short things you can discover around you? Thanks for watching, friends. I'll see you again next time when we will be learning about happy and sad. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Sarura Kids so you get notified of our latest videos. See you later! Happy, 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 I'm happy. Happy, I'm happy. Happy, 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 I'm happy. Happy, 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 happy. Oh. Hi, friends. It's so nice to see you again. I'm Trimore. What's your name? Nice to see you. I always have so much fun when I'm playing with you, my friends. It makes me happy. What kinds of things make you happy? Here are some of the things that make me happy. Yes, all these things make me very, very happy. Can you say fara? Fara means happy. Can you say suwa? Suwa means sad. Come with me, friends. Let's go see if we can tell when people are happy or sad. Fara, suwa, fara, suwa, fara, 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 suwa, fara, suwa, fara, suwa, fara, 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 suwa. Fara, suwa, fara. Suwa, fara, suwa, fara, kusuwa, kufara. Hona murume uyu. Murume uyu ari kufara here kana kuti ari kusuwa? Hongo. Murume uyu ari kufara. Hona mukadzi uyu. Mukadzi uyu ari kufara here kana kuti ari kusuwa? Hongo. Mukadzi uyu ari kusuwa. Hona mukomana uyu. Mukomana uyu ari kufara here kana kuti ari kusuwa? Hongo. Mukomana uyu ari kufara. Hona mukomana uyu. Mukomana uyu ari kufara here kana kuti ari kusuwa? Hongo. Mukomana uyu ari kusuwa. Hona mukadzi uyu. Mukadzi uyu ari kufara here kana kuti ari kusuwa? Hongo. Mukadzi uyu ari kufara. Hona musikana uyu. Musikana uyu ari kufara here kana kuti ari kusuwa? Hongo. Musikana uyu ari kusuwa. Kufara. 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 So friends, what did we learn today? we learned that Farah means happy. We also learned that Suwa means sad. We also saw a lot of faces. Some of them were happy. And some of them, were sad. We loved learning about happy and sad with you today. Why don't you look around at the faces that you see today? Can you make happy and sad faces too? Kan oggi farci si va wombera? Kan oggi farci si va wombera? Kan oggi farci si va ci so ci c'era tizza ci farci si va wombera? Kan oggi suo ci sia fignama? Kan oggi suo ci sia fignama? Kan oggi suo ci sia ci so ci c'era tizza kan oggi suo ci sia fignama? Kan oggi farci sia magna magna? Kan oggi farci sia magna magna? Kan oggi farci sia tendera imba Yosef ci farci sia magna magna? Kan oggi farci sia wombera? Kan oggi farci sia wombera? Kan oggi farci sia ci so ci c'era tizza ci farci sia wombera? Kanoka suo ci sia fignama? Kanoka suo ci sia fignama? Kanoka suo ci sia ci so ci noratizza kanochi suo ci sia fignama? Kan oggi farci sia wombera? Kan oggi farci sia wombera? Kan oggi farci sia ci so ci noratizza ci farci sia wombera? Woo! Thanks for watching, friends. I'll see you again next time when we will be learning about soil or ivu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Sarura Kids channel so you get notified of our latest videos. See you later. Hi guys, thanks for coming to play with me today. My name's Troy Moore. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Are you ready to learn about soil today? Soil! Yay! We love soil. Can you say ivu? Ivu means soil in Shona. Ivu. Nguva iri kufamba. Ivu. Kupenda nevu. Ivu. kutamba nevhu. Ivhu, kuvaka sandcastle nevhu. Ivhu, goronga revhu. Ivhu, ivhu rakanaka. Ivhu, gwenga. Wow! Soil is just beautiful, isn't it? But let's go find out some more stuff that soil does. Let's go for a walk. Ivhu, 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 ivhu. Ivhu, 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 ivhu. Ivhu rinoshandiswa pakurima. Ivhu rinogadzirisa nhandare dzekutambira mitambo yakaita sebhora kana kutasva mabhiza. Ivhu rinoshandiswa mukugadzira nzira dzinofambira mota. Ivhu rinoshandiswa mukugadzira kongiri. Vamwe vanhu vanoisa ivhu mumasaga. Ivhu rinoshandiswa mukukwesha. Ivhu rinoshandiswa mukugadzira maguta munyanza. So friends, what did we learn today? We learned lots and lots about soil or ivhu. We also saw lots of things that soil is used in. Do you remember them? We saw farmland. We also saw volleyball courts, football fields, as well as equestrian fields. We also saw soil being used in making highways and roads. Soil is also used in making concrete. Soil is used in making sandbags. We also use soil in sandblasting to smooth rough surfaces. Soil is also used to reclaim land from the sea. We love learning about soil with you today. Why don't you look around today? Where can you see soil? Thanks for watching, friends. I'll see you again next time when we will be learning about hot and cold. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you get notified of our latest videos. See you later! I'm so cold. It's snowing here, friends. And I thought I'd be okay with my warm clothes, but I just can't seem to get warm enough. Oh, I'm going to go and visit Kwazii. Maybe it's warmer at her house.
Oh goodness, this beach is just too hot. I need to find some shade to cool down. Hi, Trimore.
Hi, Kwazii. How are you doing? It's really hot here.
Oh yes, it is, Trimore. I've been trying to cool down, but it's much too hot here.
I've just come from a very cold place. And today we're learning about hot and cold. So, it's funny that it's really hot here.
It really is. Why don't we learn how to say hot and cold in Shona, Trimore? I think our friends would like that.
Would you like that, friends? Cool! Can you say kutonora? That means cold. And can you say pisa? Pisa means hot. Come on, Kwazii, let's go find Eddie and see some hot and cold things. Tonora, pisa, tonora, pisa, tonora, tonora, pisa, tonora, pisa, tonora, pisa, tonora, pisa. Tonora, pisa, tonora, pisa, tonora, tonora, pisa, tonora, pisa, tonora, pisa, tonora, pisa. Yay! Ona svitogadzike iyo. Svitogadzike iyo iri kupisa here kana kuti iri kutonhora? Hongo. Svitogadzike iyo iri kupisa. Ona kunze uko. Kunze uko kuri kupisa here kana kuti kuri kutonhora? Hongo. Kunze kuri kutonhora. Ona chikafu chiri kufashaira icho. Chikafu icho chiri kupisa here kana kuti chiri kutonhora? Hongo. Chikafu icho chiri kupisa. Ona ice cream iyo. Ice cream iyo iri kupisa here kana kuti iri kutonhora? Hongo. Ice cream iyo iri kutonhora. Ona moto uyo. Moto uyo uri kupisa here kana kuti uri kutonhora? Hongo. Moto uyo uri kupisa. Ona chando icho. Chando icho chiri kupisa here kana kuti chiri kutonhora? Hongo. Chando icho chinotonhora. Pisa.
Tonhora.
Pisa.
Tonhora.
Pisa.
Tonhora.
Pisa.
Tonhora.
Pisa.
Tonhora.
Pisa.
Tonhora.
Hi, Eddie. You'd never believe what we've been doing today.
Ndeipi shamwari dzangu? Manga muchiitei?
Oh, hi, Eddie. We've been learning about hot and cold today.
Kupisa nekutonhora?
Yes, Eddie. Hot and cold.
Iribo. Saka madzidzirei nhasi?
Well, Eddie, we learned today about hot and cold places. Trimor was in a really cold place, and then he came to find me.
But you were in a really hot place.
Yes, and then we thought about some hot and cold things while we walked here.
Saka mawana chii chinopisa?
Well, the hot things that we found were hot tea, hot food, and a hot fire.
Inga zvinofadza. Maona chii chinotonhora?
Well, the cold things that we found were snowy places, ice cream, and ice.
And now we're here where it's nice and cool.
We loved discovering hot and cold things with you today. Why don't you look around today? What hot and cold things can you find?
Maita mauya kuzotamba nesu nhasi shamwari dzedu. Musakanganwe kutiteura pano paSarura Kids nepa YouTube. Tozokuonai vhiki rinouya patinenge tichidzidzira nezvekuyangarara nekunyura.
Floating and sinking.
See you later. Hi friends, how you doing? I'm Trimore. What's your name? Thanks for coming to play with me today. Today we are going to learn about a really cool thing. Sinking and floating. If you put something in water and it stays on top, then it is floating. But if you put something in water and it goes down to the bottom, then it is sinking. Do you know how to say floating and sinking in Shona? Can you say kuyangarara? Well done, that means floating. And can you say kunyura? Well done, that means sinking. Now that you know how to say kuyangarara and kunyura, let's go for a walk and find some things that are floating and sinking. Kuyangarara, kunyura, kunyura, kuyangarara, kunyura, kunyura, kuyangarara, kunyura, kunyura, kuyangarara, kunyura. Kuyangarara, kunyura, kunyura, kuyangarara, kunyura, kunyura, kuyangarara, kunyura, kunyura, kuyangarara, kunyura. Kuyangarara, kunyura, kunyura, kuyangarara, kunyura, kunyura, kuyangarara, kunyura, kunyura, kuyangarara, kunyura. Kuyangarara, kunyura, kunyura, kuyangarara, kunyura, kunyura, kuyangarara, kunyura, kunyura, kuyangarara, kunyura. Hona shisha iro. Shisha iro riri kuyangarara here kana kuti riri kunyura. Hongo, shizha iro riri kuyangarara. Hona muso uyu. Muso uyu uri kuyangarara here kana kuti uri kunyura. Hongo. Muso uyu uri kunyura. Hona dada iro. Dada iro riri kuyangarara here kana kuti riri kunyura. Hongo. Dada iro riri kuyangarara. Hona ranjisi iro. Ranjisi iro riri kuyangarara here kana kuti riri kunyura. Hongu. Ranjisi iro riri kuyangarara. Hona submarine iyo. Submarine iyo iri kuyangarara here kana kuti iri kunyura. Hongu. Submarine iyo iri kunyura. Ona chindori chesimbi ichi. Chindori ichi chiri kuyangarara here kana kuti chiri kunyura. Hongu. Chindori ichi chiri kunyura. So friends, what did we learn today? We learned that kuyangarara means floating. We also learned that kunyura means sinking. We also saw things around us that are floating or sinking. Can you remember the floating things that we saw? We saw a floating leaf. We also saw a floating duck. The last floating thing that we saw was a floating orange. Do you remember the sinking things that we saw today? We saw a sinking coin. We also saw a sinking submarine. The last thing that we saw was a sinking metal ring. We love discovering floating and sinking things with you. Why don't you look around you today? What floating and sinking things can you find? Thanks for watching, friends. I'll see you again next time when we will be learning about over and under. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Sarura Kids so you get notified of our latest videos. See you later.
Hi, Mom Zukuru. Don't forget to finish tidying up your room before you go and play with your friends. You need to sweep under your bed today.
Okay, Gogo. Oh. Hi, friends. I'm almost ready. I'm just tidying up. This is my Gogo. She's called Gogo the Trimal.
Hello, Vazukuru. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Welcome, Vazukuru. Tremo is just finishing tidying up his room. What are you going to be learning today?
Well, Gogo, today we are going to be learning about over and under in Shona.
Ah, that's wonderful, Tremo. Do your friends know how to say over and under in Shona?
Let's ask them. Friends, can you say Pamusoro? Well done, you guys. Pamusoro means over. And now say Pazasi. Well done. Pazasi means under.
Okay, vazukuru vangu. Why don't you finish cleaning your room and I'll take your friends on a walk and show them some more things that are over and under.
Okay, Gogo, see you when you get back.
Pamsoro pazasi, Pamsoro pazasi, Pamsoro pazasi, Pamsoro pazasi, Pamsoro pazasi. Unai motokari idzo vazukuru vangu. Mota idzo dziri pamusoro pezambuko here kana kuti pazasi pezambuko. Hongu, motokari dziri pamusoro pezambuko. Onei munhu ari pagomo apo vazukuru vangu. Munhu uyo ari kuenda nepamusoro pegomo here kana kuti pazasi pegomo. Hongu muzukuru, munhu uyu anokwira nepamusoro pegomo. Onai vanhu vari kusvetuka mhingampinyidzo. Vanhu ava vari kuenda pamusoro pemhingampinyi here kana kuti pazasi pemhingampinyi. Hongu vazukuru vangu, vanhu vanosvetuka pamusoro pemhingampinyi. Onai chikepe icho. Chikepe ichi chiri kupfuura nepamusoro pezambuko here kana kuti pazasi pezambuko. Hongu vazukuru vangu, chikepe chinopfuura nepazasi pezambuko. Onai katsi iyi iri kupfuura nepamusoro pegumbeze here kana kuti iri pazasi pegumbeze. Hongu vazukuru vangu, katsi iyi iri pazasi pegumbeze. Well done, Trimo. I see your room is now spick and span.
Thank you, Gogo. I put my duvet over my bed after I swept under the bed.
You did a good job, mzukuru wangu. And while you were doing that, we went and discovered so many things going over and under.
Wow, Gogo, that's great. What did you learn today, friends?
We learned that Pamsoro means over. We also learned that Pazasi means under.
That's wonderful. And what things did you see going over when you went out, Gogo?
Well, try more. We saw cars going over a bridge. We also saw people jumping over hurdles. The last thing we saw was a man climbing over a mountain.
Wow, that sounds amazing. And what things did you see going under, Gogo?
Well, try more. We saw cars going under a bridge. We also saw a boat going under the bridge. The last thing we saw was a cat under a blanket.
Gogo, it sounds like you had a really good time on your walk with our friends.
I really did, muzukuru wangu. It's time for us to go now, wazukuru wangu. Please come back next week so we can learn more about clean and dirty together. Goodbye.
Bye. We loved discovering over and under with you today. Why don't you look around today? What things do you see going over and under? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Sarua Kids YouTube channel so you get notified of our latest videos. See you later!
Eddie, you're mucky.
Yes, Eddie, what on earth happened to you?
Musadaro Naimi. Ndanga ndichitamba mumadhaka.
You were playing in mud?
Hongu kwazi.
And you never called us to join you?
Kana kumbozvifunga unoziva.
Don't worry, Eddie. We can always play in the mud together later.
Saka imi makachena asi ini ndakasviba.
Yes, Eddie, we are clean and you are dirty. And that's what we are going to learn about today with our friends. We are learning about clean and dirty. But first, let's learn how to say it in Shona.
Yes, friends, let's say kuchena.
Well done. Kuchena means clean.
Now, let's say kushiba. Well done, you guys. Kushiba means dirty.
Thank you, Try More. Why don't we go and find some things out there that are clean and dirty?
Regai nditange ndageza vedwe.
Yes, Eddie. Get clean first and then we'll go.
Kuchena, kuchiba, kuchena, kuchiba, kuchena, kuchiba, kuchena, kuchiba, kuchena, kuchiba, kuchena, kuchiba, kuchena, kuchiba,
kushiba, kuchena, kushiba, kuchena, kushiba, kushiba, kuchena, 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 kushiba, kuchena. Hona imba iyi. Imba iyi yakachena here kana kuti yakasviba? Hongu. Imba iyi yakachena.
Hona imba iyi. Imba iyi yakachena here kana kuti yakasviba? Hongu. Imba iyi yakasviba.
Hona mwana uyu. Mwana uyu akachena here kana kuti akasviba? Hongu. Mwana uyu akachena.
Hona mwana uyu. Mwana uyu akachena here kana kuti akasviba? Hongu. Mwana uyu akasviba.
Hona majombo aya. Majombo aya akachena here kana kuti akasviba? Hongu. Majombo aya akachena.
Hona majombo aya. Majombo aya akachena here kana kuti akasviba? Hongu. Majombo aya akasviba.
So, friends, what did we learn today? We learned that kuchena means clean. We also learned that kushiba means dirty.
We also saw things around us that are clean and dirty. Can you remember the clean things that we saw? We saw a clean house. We also saw a clean child. The last clean thing that we saw was a clean pair of wellies.
And do you remember the dirty things that we saw today? We saw a dirty house. We also saw a dirty child. The last dirty thing that we saw was a dirty pair of wellies.
We ravudi discovering clean and dirty things with you today. Why don't you look around today? What clean or dirty things can you find?
Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you again next time when we will be learning about on and off. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Sarura Kids YouTube channel so you get notified of our latest videos. See you later! Friends, so nice to see you again. I'm Trimore. What's your name? Nice to see you again. Have you checked out my videos with my friends Eddie and Quazzy? They're right here on our channel. Ask your grown-up to help you find them. Today, we're going to switch things on and switch things off. But we're going to learn how to say it in Shona. Can you say Batiza? Well done, you guys. You aced it. Batiza means switch on. Now, say Zima. Wow. Are you sure you haven't said that word before? You nailed it! Zima means switch off. Now that you can say Batiza and Zima like a pro, let's go for a walk and find some things that can switch on and off. Batiza, zima, batiza, zima, batiza, ha, zima, zima, batiza, zima, batiza, zima, batiza, zima, batiza, zima, batiza, zima, batiza, ha, zima, zima, batiza, zima, batiza, zima, batiza, zima, batiza, zima, batiza, zima, batiza, ha, zima, zima, batiza, zima, batiza, zima, batiza, zima. Hona mukomana uyo. Mukomana uyo ari kubatidza here magetsi kana kuti ari kudzima magetsi. Hongo. Mukomana uyo ari kubatidza magetsi. Ona TV iyo. Munhu uyo ari kubatidza here TV kana kuti ari kuidzima. Hongo. Munhu uyo ari kudzima TV. Hona mukweno uyo. Mukweno uyo uri kubatidzwa here kana kuti uri kudzimiwa. Hongo. Mukweno uyo uri kubatidzwa. Hona moto uyo. Munhu uyo ari kubatidza here moto kana kuti ari kudzima moto. Hongo. Munhu uyo ari kudzima moto. Hona oveni iyi. Munhu uyu ari kubatidza here oveni kana kuti ari kudzima oveni. Hongo. Munhu uyu ari kubatidza oveni. Hona rambi iro. Munhu uyo ari kubatidza here rambi kana kuti ari kudzima rambi. Hongo. munhu uyo ari kudzima rambi. So friends, what did we learn today? We learned that kubatidza means switch on. We also learned that zima means switch off. We also saw things around us that were being switched on or being switched off. Can you remember the things that we saw being switched on? We saw a boy switching on lights. We also saw a match being lit. The last thing that we saw being switched on was an oven. Do you remember the things that we saw being switched off today? We saw the television being switched off. We saw someone putting out a fire. We also saw a lamp being switched off. We love switching things on and off with you. Why don't you look around today? What things can you find that are being switched on and off? Thanks for watching, friends. I'll see you again next time when we will be learning about fast and slow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Sarura Kids YouTube channel so you get notified of our latest videos. See you later.
Traimo Mzukuru. What a beautiful day for going on a nature walk. The sun is shining, the birds are tweeting, and there's a lovely summer breeze.
Yeah, Gogo, I can't wait. We're going to go as fast as we can up this hill.
No, Mzukuru wangu. Let's go for a nice, slow, gentle stroll.
Ah, Gogo. But I wanted to go fast.
I know, Manuedangwe, but your gogo can only go slowly. So let's take time to stroll gently and slowly up the hill. And while we walk, we can tell our friends a little bit about how to say fast and slow in Shona. Anditi?
Actually, Gogo, that's a great idea. What do you think, friends? Are you ready to learn how to say fast and slow in Shona with us? Before we start walking, can you say Chimbidza?
Well done. Chimbidza means to hurry or go fast. Now say Chinono.
Good job, you guys. Chinono means slow.
So, now that you know how to say Chimbidza and Chinono, let's go on our slow walk and discover our other things that are fast and slow.
Chimbidza, Chinono, 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 chimbidza, chinono.
Ona dindingwe iro. Dindingwe rinochimbidza here kana kuti rine chinono? Hongu rinochimbidza.
Ona kamba iyo. Kamba inochimbidza here kana kuti ine chinono? Hongu. Kamba ine chinono.
Ona vana ava. Vana ava vanochimbidza here kana kuti vane chinono? Hongu, vana ava vanochimbidza.
Ona munhu uyu. Munhu uyu anochimbidza here kana kuti ane chinono? Hongu, munhu uyu ane chinono. Ari kufamba achinanaira.
Mifananidzo iri kumhanya inochimbidza.
Mifananidzo iri kunanaira. Ine chinono. So friends, what did we learn today? We learned that chimbidza means to hurry or go fast. We also learned that chinono means slow.
Yes, muzukuru wangu. We also saw things around us that are fast and small. Can you remember the first things that we saw? We saw a fast cheetah. We also saw people running really fast. We also saw a camera moving very quickly through a city.
We also learned that chinono means slow. We also saw some slow things. Do you remember the slow things that we saw today? We saw a slow tortoise. We also saw a person walking slowly. We also saw a camera moving through a city slowly.
We loved discovering fast and slow with you today. Why don't you look around today? What fast or slow things can you find?
Thanks for watching, friends. I'll see you again next time when we will be learning about stop and start.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can get notified of our latest videos. See you later.
See you later.
Bye,
friends. Muri shamwari. Muri boy here shamwari dzedu.
It's so nice to have you guys here again today. Thank you for joining us again on
Sarura Kids.
Today we're going to have fun.
What is that, Kwazzy?
Hongu kwazi. Tirukuitei.
Well, guys, today we're going to learn to start and stop.
Woohoo! I can't wait! But, friends, let's start by learning how to say stop and start in Shona.
Yes. Friends, can you say tanga? Well done. Tanga means start in Shona.
Yes, it does, Kwazzy. And can you say Mira? Well done, friends. Mira means stop.
And now that we know how to say start and stop in Shona, we are going off for a walk. Let's find some things that are starting and stopping.
Tanga, 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 tanga. Mira, mira, mira. Tanga, tanga, tanga. Mira, mira, mira. Tanga, 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 tanga. Mira, 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 mira.
Makwikwi emabhasikoro ava kutanga. Motokari yava kumira. Chitima chava kutanga kufamba. Ndege yava kumira panhandare.
Guys, why don't we play Kwazzy Says?
Like Simon Says, but with me saying.
Exactly! Every time Kwazzy says, Kwazzy Anoti Tanga, you start dancing. But when Kwazzy says, Kwazzy Anoti Mira, you have to stop. Got it? Good. Are you guys ready? Let's go, Kwazzy!
Yes. Kwazzy Anoti Tanga. Kwazzy Anoti Mira. Tanga!
Wait. Kwazi didn't say Kwazi anoti tanga.
Well done, you guys.
So friends, what did we learn today? We learned that tanga means start. We also learned that mira means stop. We also saw things around us that are starting and stopping. Can you remember the things that we saw starting? We saw a bike race starting. We also saw a train starting to leave the station.
Yes, we did. We also saw some things that were stopping. Do you remember the things that we saw stopping today? We saw a car stopping. We also saw an aeroplane stopping. We love discovering start and stop with you today. Why don't you look around today? What things can you find that are starting and stopping?
Thanks for watching, friends. I'll see you again next time when we will be learning about straight and bent.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Zarura Kids so you get notified of our latest videos. See you later!
Konai Kwazi, try more ambotaenda kupnai.
I don't know where he went, Eddie. Trimer just told me he's going somewhere. Like we've never been before. I have no idea what that could be.
Kana nenisha, apa nakanishita kutombotamba Monopoly naisha.
Yeah, Monopoly is always more fun with 3. Shall we go find him?
Hande tinomutsvaka. Asi titangira papi nai Kwazi?
Yes. Where should we start? I know. Let's start small and work our way up.
Uri kurevei?
Let's start with the smallest thing we know. Ants!
Masvosve?
Yes, Eddie. Ants. If Trimer's gone somewhere we've never been before, maybe he shrunk to the size of an ant. We should go and check out the ants just to be safe.
Une badge rako here?
Yes, Eddie. I've got my shrinking badge. Let's go outside and look.
Can you tell me one thing that is smaller than a cat?
A shrimp. An ant. An ant. Shrink to the size of an ant. Hello? Hello? Excuse me, Mr. Ant? Hello?
Kwazi, vanenge vari kuita basa ava.
Yes, they do look very busy. And Trimer's not here anyway. Maybe we should try somewhere else.
Ngatibvunzei katsi. Katsi yakati kurirei, pamwe ine zvayaona.
You're right, Eddie. Let's go back to the house. But first, grow to the size of a cat.
Kwazi, hona kidziyo. Regai tiibvunze. Pamwe ine zvainoziva.
Good idea, Eddie. Trima's got to be here somewhere.
Pamusoro yevakidzi, mambonawo shamwari yedu here?
Our friend Trimo. We can't find him anywhere.
Kwazi, kidzi hapana zvainoziva mani.
It's really very quiet. Maybe if I ask it again nicely. Excuse me. Excuse me, dear cat. We're looking for our friend. Sorry, Eddie. The cat is bigger than the ant, but it's not telling us very much. I think we need to go bigger.
Tivunze munhu.
Yes, I think we should ask a person.
Is Mummy smaller or bigger than the car?
Bigger.
Now, can you tell me, is Mummy smaller or bigger than a car?
Smaller?
Ah, well done. Is Mummy smaller or bigger than a car?
Smaller.
Okay.
Back to normal size.
Hello?
Kwaziwai kumusoro uko. Muri kutinzwawo.
Yes, I can hear you. Yes, Eddie. How are you kids doing today?
Tiripo muripo zvenyu. Tiri kutsvagawo shamwari yedu. Tati pamwe sezvo muchiona kure.
Because you're very tall.
Pamwe mungaonawo Trimo.
Oh, thank you, children. I've just been standing here, enjoying the sunshine. It's nice and warm today, don't you think? Still, I haven't seen anything today. Not any kids. No, none at all.
Tishamuwana here Trimo nhasi. Kwamboenda kupi?
Maybe you should go and ask an elephant where your friends went. There are some in the safari park, just down the road. If they've seen anything, they will definitely let you know. They never forget, you know. Never forget.
Hongu, nzou haikanganwi. Kana yawana Trimo inotiudza.
Yes, you're right. We need to ask an elephant. They'll definitely know. Come on, Eddie, let's go. Thanks, Mr. Giant. You've really helped.
It's my pleasure, children. Good luck finding your friend.
Hello.
Pamusoroi. Anzou.
We're looking for our friend. And you're larger than the giant, so we thought you might have seen him. We asked the small ant,
Shosvediki.
the big cat,
Kitsi hombe.
the giant lady,
Mukadzi akakurisa.
and now you're the largest thing we know. We really want to find Trimo before it's dark. Do you? Do you know where he is?
Muri kutinzwa?
No, Eddie. I don't think he's listening. He's too busy having a drink.
Apa wareva zvako Kwazi? Zvaramba izvi. Ngatidzokerei zvedu kumba iwe.
You're right, Eddie. We're not going to find Trimore here.
What is bigger, an elephant or a space rocket?
Space rocket.
Well done, Yasha. What is bigger, an elephant or a space rocket?
Space rocket.
Thank you, Ruva.
You're welcome.
What is bigger, an elephant or a space rocket?
Space rocket.
Hi guys, I'm back.
Trimore! Where have you been? We've been looking for you everywhere.
Oh, I've just been to Diggerland. Oh, it was amazing. Oh, you guys would have loved it. We've got to go together next time.
Diggerland.
Yes, Eddie. We've never been there before. And my mum thought I'd love it. Why?
We didn't realize you meant somewhere. We've never been like that. We went to ask the ants because we thought you had shrunk.
Tikatombobvunza kiti chaiyo sezvakakura kukunda masvosve.
We even asked a giant lady if she had seen you because she's bigger than the cat.
Ndiye atiudza kuti tibvunze nzou.
So we went to ask the elephant if it had seen you.
Oh. Is that because the elephant's the biggest of them all?
Yes, Trimore. But it didn't help us at all.
Kana ka1 zvayo. Kungotarisa nemaziso kudai.
Wow. You guys seem like you've been very busy. Why didn't you just ask Quasi's mum to call my mum?
Are you sure, Nai?
Oh my gosh, Trimore. We should have, shouldn't we?
Tasaengati shumba inoruma. Tasaengati shumba inoruma. Chenjera kutsikwa shumba inoruma. Chenjera kutsikwa shumba inoruma. Zai rakaora. What do you think Eddie's doing? I don't know. Is he really sleeping? It looks like it. Should we wake him up?
Amy, ndakamuka mheni.
Oh. Sorry, Eddie, we thought you were sleeping. Yeah, Eddie, you look like you were sleeping.
Aiwa, ndinorara zvangu. Ndiri kudzidzira kuita shumba.
You're learning to be a lion? Why on earth you do that?
Ndakaona paTV pachitaurwa nezveshumba. Vakati shumba dzinogona kurara kutosvika maawa 20 pazuva.
Lions can see for up to 20 hours a day? You've got to be kidding.
Aiwa, ndinorevesa. Kumwe kurara, kumwe kungozorodza maziso. Ndizvo zvaitaura pachirongwa chacho.
Oh, so they only nap sometimes. I see. What else do they tell you on the programme, Eddie? Urkonechi quasi. Yeah. Ichi chinonzi zenze yeshumba. You mean the mane? Zenze. Shumba yeshirime ndiyo ine zenze. Yangu yakanaka handiti. Yeah, like your mane, Eddie. So only the male lion has one. Is that why they call him the king of the jungle? Actually, Quasi, the lion isn't really the king of the jungle. That's just something they say. You mean lions don't live in the jungle? Nope. So where do they live? Why don't we ask our friends that? Friends, do you know where lions live?
The jungle, of course.
Where else have you seen them?
At a zoo.
Where?
At a zoo? Lions live in the savannah. I don't know, but I think so.
In the forest and in the zoo.
In a field. Maybe one field.
So, lions live in the zoo and people are looking after them, but the ones in the wild live in the savannah in places with water and a bit of cover for shelter. So they don't live in the jungle, but it does make a really cool song. Wow, I never knew that. Thanks, Trimore. So the lion is the king of the savannah. Zimbabwe's got loads of savannah. And so if the lion is king and has a mane, what about the female lion, the lioness? I know, the lioness doesn't have a mane, only the male has one. The mane covers their heads and necks and stretches under their belly, and it can be really dark too. Wow. But the lionesses are brilliant. They're the ones that do most of the hunting because they're better hunters than the males. I heard that a lion can run at about 50 miles an hour for a short time. That's really fast. I bet they can catch anything at that speed. That's faster than my mum's car. So what kind of food do lions eat? Shumba manje. Iwe. Shumba inongodya nyama chete. Chete. Hapana chimwe. Yeah, I heard they only eat meat. Iwe. Shumba inofarira nyama chekuti pano manje. Painovhima inogona kubata mbizi kana kongoni. Iwe. Inotobata nyama inokwana mhuri yese. Kana dzese dzaguta dzombozorora kwemazuva. What? You mean lions only eat every few days? And they live in groups? Yes, I've heard that too. Lion groups are called a pride. I heard that there can be up to 30 lions in one pride with males, females and baby lions. What's a baby lion called anyway? A baby lion? Well, Trimore, why don't we ask our friends if they know what a baby lion is? Friends, do you know what a baby lion is called?
A cub.
A cub, of course. A baby lion is called a cub. Baby. What called cub?
So a baby lion is called a cub. Yeah, nechona inonzi handa. Oh, a cub is called handa in Shona? Yeah, that's right. Oh, I see. And do cubs go hunting too? Chirongwa chacho chaiti handa inotanga kudzidzira kuvhima kana yasvitsa mwedzi mitatu. Just 3 months old? I'm glad I'm not a lion. I still can't even make a sandwich for myself. Taura hako, asi papfupi apo. Shumba inenge yatopera kukura painosvitsa makore matatu. What? A full-grown lion is only 3 years old? Saka shumba dzinombofanana nekitsi dzepamba handiti? Hadzisi dzekutamba nadzo shuwa. What do you mean like other cats? A lion's cats? Like Farina? Kwazi, Shumba na Farina vatonokama ufunge. Yeah, Kwazi, lions are from the cat family, but they're much bigger than the cats that live in the house. There are 5 types of big cat. The tiger, the lion, the jaguar, the leopard, and the snow leopard. Not all of them live in Africa though. I never thought lions were cats. They're huge. How big do you think they are? Well, a baby lion can be just 1.5 kilos heavy when it's born. Oh. Yeah, that's really small and cuddly. But they grow really fast. By the time they're 3 years old, a fully grown male lion can be 180 kilos. And a lioness can be 130 kilos. Wow. That's bigger than my mum and dad, that's for sure. Yeah, that's right. In fact, the only big cat larger than a lion is a tiger. Lendeta zvangu ingwe. Don't worry, Eddie. You can be a tiger whenever you like. So what sounds do lions make anyway? Well, lions meow, hiss, and snarl, just like domestic cats do, but much louder. They also have a huge roar that can be heard from 8 kilometers away. So, if you think about it, Kwazi, when your mum takes you out shopping, she would have to drive to somewhere 10 minutes away. And if you stopped and listened, you can still hear a lion that you left at home. Wow. Kushamwari dzedu, munogona kujovere seshumba.
No. What you paint? What you painting? What you painting, Mummy?
Can you roar like a lion?
Yes, I can. Let me show you. So this is how I roar. Roar. That's how I roar.
Ya, shumba idzo dzinotyisa mheni. Saka indofarira zvangu shumba. Musandichinje zvenyu handiti. Nhasi ndinonzi Eddie Shumba.
What do you know about lions?
They're one of the golden brown creatures.
They have 4 legs, they eat meat, and they can draw up to 2 meters away.
Wow.
What do you know about lions?
I know that they're yellow and furry all around their body, and they sometimes have babies.
So today we learnt loads about lions. We love these big cats. They start off so small, but they grow to be really big and can be as heavy as 2 grown-ups. I think what I love the most about lions is that they live in groups known as a pride. That just sounds really cool. Zvinofadza. Ini ndinofarira kuti shumba dzechidzimai ndidzo dzinovhima. Ende shumba dzinogona kupedza mazuva akawanda stereki dzisina kudya. Dzakangokotsira. But they can eat a whole zebra or wildebeest in their group when they do eat. That is huge. Yeah, the lion really is the king of the savannah, with a really huge roar that you can hear from 8 kilometers away. Shumba inofadza iwe. Inodzidzira kuvhima ichiri handa. But it can grow from a cub to fully grown in just 3 years. And then it can run at up to 50 miles an hour. That's a lot of growing and a lot of speed for anything. Taura hako iwe. Ndisaka ndichifarira zvangu shumbeni. We love lions!
Quasi and try more.
Yui! And naso kuri kupisa vedwe.
Taura hako Eddie. Rega timbozorora takagara pamasora pano. Ine kana kusumuka ndichada.
Yeah, me too. But we have to get going soon. It's a long ride home from the countryside.
I've really enjoyed our day out in the countryside. It reminds me a bit of Kamusha Kwelu.
Kamusha? What's that?
Oh, sorry, Kwasi. Kamusha's like our countryside in Zimbabwe. But instead of being just any countryside, it's where we come from.
What do you mean, come from?
Kwaunobva Kwasi. Ndio nzinza rako.
Oh, your tribe?
Madzinza ese anobva muZimbabwe. Saka kana ukanzwa munhu achiti ndiri chihera
Kana samanyanga.
kana mhofu yemukono.
You know where they're from.
So are all those names the places they come from?
No, actually, those are the totems.
Mutupo.
And when someone has a mutupo, you know that's something special for them.
I still don't get it.
Yeah, it's a bit hard to explain. Well, ask my gogo when you visit me, okay?
Okay. So why do all these people live in Kamusha?
Uko ndo kwatakabva Kwasi. Saka madzitateguru guru edu aigara ikoko. Kumusha kunonakidza mhani. Kune muchero hobho inonaka sha. Apa kumusha kwedu tinoenda kunovhudza mombe.
Wow, I'd love to do that. Did you see the cows here? What animals do you find on a farm?
You find pigs, cows, ducks, chickens, hens, chicks, dogs, cats, and that's all I know.
Chickens, pigs, and cows. I would find cows, horses, and a dog.
Pig, horses, I think, cows.
Whoa, there are so many animals that you can find on a farm. What animals do you have, Kamusha?
Kumusha kwedu kune mombe, wai, nguruve, mbudzi, kune madhongi, kune huku futi.
Kwedu tanga tine chiuta.
Quill?
Yeah, that's all my gogo wakuru used to look after.
Did you guys have any llamas?
Llamas?
What did I say?
Kwazi, mhuka dzekumusha dzakasiyana nedzekuno. Mapurazi ekuno ane mhuka dzakawanda. KuZimbabwe, mhuka dzacho dzinobatsira pakurima nekudya. Zvanzi nagogo vangu, munhu ane mhuka dzakawanda anenge akapfuma singatomboitse.
Yeah, not everyone can afford to buy animals or to look after them. So someone with lots of animals is really, really rich.
So would the farmers from this farm be really rich in Zimbabwe?
Definitely! Look at all those cows. There's tons of Rora just in this field.
I never knew about Rora until you told me, Trimo. In fact, I never knew about Kamusha till you told me today. I wonder if our friends know about Kamusha.
ngativabvunze. Saka shamwari dzedu, munoziva kuti kumusha kwenyu ndekupi here?
Zoe, what is Kumusha?
Kumusha is where you come from.
Kumusha?
Kumusha is also the countryside.
Kamusha is countryside and farm.
Kumusha is a village with straw on the top to cover you and bricks on the bottom.
Kamusha is a farm.
Reka ndikutaureni zvako Kwazi. Kumusha kunonakidza zvokuti unozivei Kwazi, unofanirwa kumbouya kumusha kwenu, handisi?
Yes, Eddie. I'd love to. You have to teach me how to hold a padza, though.
Usatye zvako Kwazi. Ndichakudzidzisa kutimba nekusakura.
Nekutsvaira paruvanze.
So when we go Kamusha, do they have big tractors and things for doing the heavy digging?
Well, Kwasi, usually in the proper Kumusha it's really rural. So they use mostly hoes and spades to do stuff.
Ndizvozvo Twaimo. Uyezve, dzimwe nguva vanoshandisa mombe negejo. Vanhu vakawanda havana matirakita nemuchena yakadaro. Saka havazvishandise.
Whoa, that sounds like hard work. They don't even borrow them from the big cities?
Kwete Kwazi. Kudhorobha kuresa. Handisati ndamboona tirakita kana imwe zvayo kumusha kwedu unomboziva.
That's true, but the really cool thing is that loads of people live together, so it makes it easier to do all that farm work.
I wonder if our friends know where their Kamusha is. I know. Let's ask them. Friends, do you know where your Kamusha is? At Zimbabwe. In Zimbabwe.
I was born in England and my parents were born in Zimbabwe.
Where's Zimbabwe?
Zimbabwe? Africa. In Africa. Maybe in Zimbabwe? I don't know. Maybe in the savannah. Huh? What?
I really think you guys are so lucky that you have such an amazing place as your Kamusha. I wish I had a Kamusha too.
Thanks, Kwasi. We love Kamusha and all our cousins there. But it's really hard work. My mum wakes up super early whenever we're there.
Asi tinokurumidza futi kunokotsira. Zuva richingodoka, ini Eddie, mumagumezi angu zvangu.
Eddie, that's because you love sleeping so much.
Sha, ndisiyo zvangu. Ndichiri kukura, saka ndinofanirwa kurara nguva yakareba.
But when you're not sleeping, you're catching up with all your cousins and family that live there.
Helping with kurima, nekufudza mombe.
Nekudya michero yepamba neyemusango.
Eddie, but I know you don't just eat and sleep all the day. I remember you telling me that you also really love hearing stories from your gogo by the fireside.
Ichokwadi. Ngano dzinonakidza. Dakusuwa kumusha manje.
I can't wait to see your Kamusha.
We love Kamusha. amai b, baba d, dachka e, envelope f, fafitera. G, gudo h, huku i, imbwa j, jongwe k, kongoni. M, motokari n, nungu o, orange p, p, poto. R, rokwe s, sokwe t, tsuro u, ufu. V, vana w, wuyu y, yambudza z, zizi, zizi. A, amai b, baba d, dachka e, envelope f, fafitera. G, gudo h, huku i, imbwa j, jongwe k, kongoni. M, motokari n, nungu o, orange p, p, poto. R, rokwe s, sokwe t, tsuro u, ufu. V, vana w, wuyu y, yambudza z, zizi. Tapedza! I love this alphabet song. Do you? Shall we sing it one more time? A, amai b, baba d, dachka e, envelope f, fafitera. G, gudo hu, huku i, imbwa j, jongwe k, kongoni. M, motokari n, nungu o, orange p, p, poto. R, rokwe s, sokwe t, tsuro u, ufu. V, vana w, wuyu y, yambudza z, zizi. Tapedza!
Maita matishanyira vachisadza.
Haiwago, tanga tichingofurawo zvinhu nekumara ineni. Ndikati hazvingakodzere kusatsvagawo gogo vangu.
Zvino matoita rombo rakanaka. Ndanga ndave kutopakura chikafu. Regai ndikudze mwana akupakurireiwo.
Gogo shuwa. Munenge matondibatsira nemazvo. Ndanga ndatobva kuresa pandiri pano. Kuzona ndabata kumba.
Musazvinetsa zvenyu vachisadza. Mwana asingachema anofira mubereko. Munongoziva gogo venyu vano vanobikira nevari kupfuura sema kudai. Rega ndideedzere mwana akupakurirei.
Anogona kupakura chikafu manje.
Chaizvo. Chikoniso chi.
Munongoziva vano mazuva ano gogo. Havana kwavo. Kare kwangu ndichiri mukomana. Mai vangu vaiti vakomana zvese nevasikana ngavagone basa rese repamba. Saka ndaitotangira rungwanani kubata nyaya dzepamba. Kwachakakwidibira kudai taitanga kumunda. Tabve ikoko tosvikosimudzirana nenyaya yepamusha manje. Kutsvaira, kuwaridza mibhedha, kusuka ndiro. Kuti kwaizobuda zuva kudai tainge tatopedza kudya kwerunganani tatova mukufudza mombe. Chaizvo gogo. Asi zvekutamba nazvo kezvo. Mwembwe rudzi runozvara mwana ane kazhumu mufungeni. Tikangoramba tichivadzidzisa vana zvinototanga kuvaitira nyore. Manje munotomuonawo Traimo achimhanya semurume mukuru. Makumaiwedzi gogo.
Aiwa vachisadza. Zvinhu zvacho hazvichisina kudaro. Mazuvano vana vedu vave kuita zvakasiyana nezvataiita isu kare. Mwana akanaka Traimo. Rega yauya kupakurirei chikafu chenyu zvake imi. Traimo.
Gogo.
Traimo mzukuru.
Ma.
Doya kuno mzukuru wangu. Tine vaenzi.
Kazwa wachisadza makadiyeni.
Kazwai. Kazwai wakangomera kunge mugamtiri wakatobata kudenga.
What?
Wati futi. Aiwa Gugu, zvananga ndichazoreva zviya. Mwerudzi.
Aiwa vachisadza. Musazviremedze zvenyu. Handiti ndiko kudzidzisa vana kwacho. Totenda kuti atipawo chinhambo chekuti tibatsirane pano. Nai Traimo muzukuru wangu.
Gogo.
Muzukuru, nhasi tichadzidzira nezvetsika dzedu dzechishona, handiti?
Manners?
Yes, Traimo. Manners. Manners according to Shona culture. But I would like you to phone your friend Ruva. She can help you with this one today. Hande pa computer. And let's call her.
Rorashe, how do you say hello to elders in Shona?
Makadizeni.
Macadamia.
Oh, again?
Okay. You guys want this? Okay, good. Macadamia. Macadamia.
Hi Traimo, how are you doing?
Hi, River. I'm good, cheers. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. What's up?
Well, River, my Gogo told me to ask you about manners according to Shona culture.
You want to learn about manners?
Yes, River, manners. Tika.
Oh, I see. Well, I think it might be easier if we go through what I do in a day and I just tell you what I know. What do you think?
Fine by me, go ahead.
The first thing is when you wake up, you have to say good morning to the grown-ups. So you say Mangwanani, Mamuka, say.
That means good morning. How did you rise, right?
Yes, that's right. You have to clap your hands when you do it, like this.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. But my Gogo tells me that I have to clap a different way.
You're right, Traimo. Girls clap like this. And boys clap like this. And you also have to kneel like this. Like this.
I see.
So as soon as someone comes to your house, you should go and say hello to them like that.
Ah, I see. What else?
Well, when you talk to any grown-up, you should always wait until they finish speaking before answering. You have to be polite and listen carefully.
Yeah, you're right, Rua. My parents also tell me I have to help my gogos and granddads whenever they need my help.
Yes, Trimo. Grown-ups need help. You have to offer to help them. That's really good manners. My mum tells me that you just have to remember to be polite and be kind. When you do that, you remember to say your pleases and your thank yous. You also learn more things that grown-ups are teaching you.
That sounds really easy, actually. Thanks, Rua.
Thanks, Trimo. Did that help?
Yes, Rua, it definitely did. I now know what I'm supposed to do when saying hello to our guests.
Glad I could help.
Yes, thanks. See you later.
All right. Goodbye.
How to say good night
To who?
to grown-ups?
I'm a grown-up.
Good girl. How else can you say good night to grown-ups?
Murray Musse.
What's that?
Murray Musse.
Murare mushe.
Aya. Mama Jacanaka.
Oh, try mom, Zukuru. Are you finished talking to Rua on the phone?
Yes, Gogo, I'm done.
Did you learn about manners?
Yes, Gogo.
So, do you know what you have to do and where you went wrong?
Yes, Gogo. When Vachisaza came, I should have come here without being called.
That's great, my grandchild. Did you learn anything else?
Yes, Gogo. I should have said hello while I was kneeling.
Hayi, yesh. Ingwane mazona moya nazo. Well done, Trimo. You are really learning, anditi?
Yeah, I've got the best Gogo in the world.
Aiwa, chienda zvako muzukuru wangu. I'm sure you have lots of things to do.
Okay, Gogo, bye. I'll just bring some food for our guests first.
Maone manje. Ndiwo vanhu vatinofarira ava manje. You're doing very well, my boy. You're doing very, very well.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Dave Kwazi, Korwite.
Yes, Kwasi, what are you doing?
Oh, hi guys. I was just practicing my counting. Oh. You know what would be really cool though? If I could count in Shona.
Yeah, let's count to 10 in Shona.
Motsi kusvika gumi.
Huh?
1 to 10, Kwasi. Come on, I'll show you. Now, where did I put my balls? Come on, let's count together.
Can you count to 10 in English?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, Kwasi, it's really easy. Let's count these balls together. Moti, mbiri, natu, ina, shanu, nanatu, nomwe, sere, fumbamwe, gumi. You got it, Kwasi?
Yes, I think so, Trimble. Actually, can you show me again?
Sure thing.
Rega ndimutaridzeni ni-try more.
Cool.
Motsi, banana, mbiri, grapes, natu, orange, ina, zai, shanu, mbatatisi, nanatu, domasi, nomwe, huku, sere, kabeji, pfumbamwe, chibage, gumi, karoti.
That's really cool, Eddie. I love those. Hey, tell you what, let's count my hairbands.
Motsi, mbiri, natu, ina, shanu, nanatu, nomwe, sere,
Pfumbamwe.
Gumi.
Count to 10 in Shona.
Motsi, imbiri, natu, ina, shanu,
Nanatu.
nanatu, namwa, sere,
Pfumbamwe.
pfumbawe, gumi.
Well done.
Whoa, you guys. I love that. Counting in Shona is so much fun.
Cheers, Kwasi. It only gets easier the more you do it. So you know what? We should count everything in Shona from now on.
Ini chikafu ndisha ndinofarira kuverenga zvangu.
I'm not surprised, Eddie. You love counting food as you eat one by one.
We love counting! Hello, Gogo. How you doing?
Simon, it's a long time. How are you?
Oh, Gogo, I'm doing very well, thanks. I'm so sorry I haven't been to visit.
I know. What's been going on?
Well, not a lot, really. My friends Eddie and Kwasi, we've been having lots and lots of fun.
Ooh.
Yeah, we've been learning lots. And the other day, Gogo, the other day we were learning about Shona words that have more than one meaning.
Mm-hmm.
And we learned about this word called mbudzi. And I remembered, Gogo, that mbudzi can mean goat, but it can also mean the month of November. Is that right?
Oh, yeah, it does. Oh, congratulations, Trimo.
Oh, thanks, Gogo. But, you know, Gogo, I was thinking, are there other words in the Shona language that can mean more than one thing?
Oh, yes, there are loads. Maybe. Let me go inside. I'll talk to my friend and I'll come back to you.
Oh, all right. Cheers, Gogo. I'll see you later.
All right, my grandchild. See you soon.
Ruva, what does Nzara mean?
That means hungry.
Well done. What does Nzara mean?
That means nail.
Inzara means hungry and nails.
Hi, Zoe.
Hi. I was expecting you there.
Okay, so today I'm going to ask you some questions in Shona. Two
I don't
questions.
know, Sana.
What is Nzara?
I don't know.
When I say unenzara,
Oh, hungry.
hungry. Good.
Greetings. Welcome to Sarura Kids channel. Today we are going to talk about Shona words that have different meanings. Hepani gogo. Komaswera sei? Tanzwa kuti nhasi tiri kutaura nezvemazwi echishona anoreva zvakapfuurira zvakawanda.
Nepano.
Aiwa, svika henyu achisadza. Tokubatsirai nei?
Ndiri kutsvakawo gogo vatiraimo. Ndanzwa kuti vasvika pano nemuzukuru wavo.
Oh, aiwa, gogo vatiraimo. Vaenda kubinduko. Svikai henyu ikoko, munovaona variko kubindu garden.
Maita basa. Madzimai.
Aiwa, madzibaba. So, Gogo, where were we? Try more. Wanted to understand more about Shona words with different meanings. Aiwa, zviri nyore zvo Gogo, musanetsikana henyu, tinogona kubatsirana. The first word Trimo was asking about is mbudzi. What would you think about? Mbudzi. Mbudzi zvinoreva mwedzi waNovember. Mwedzi waNovember unonzi mbudzi. Asi mwedzi waNovember mwedzi unoyera kurooresa vana muchishona chedu. Zvakare mbudzi zvinoreva mbudzi dzatinochengeta mumusha. Tinochengeta hwai, mbudzi, mombe, mbudzi, animal. Oh, yes, that's very interesting, Gogo. I always find mbudzi very interesting. It makes my November, that's for sure. Now, here's the next one. Zuva. What do you think about it when I say Zuva? Gogo. Zuva zvinogona kureva Zuva, day of the week. Zuva rokuti mugovera muchishanu china izuva. Zuva rinoreva zvakare zuva ratinoona, sun, rinonzi zuva. Zvakare zuva rinoreva kupisa. Tinoti zuva rapisa, kupisa. Saka zvakinoreva zvakangosiyana siyana. Zuva. Oh, now we have this word that I love, because you know I love to sing. Hey,
I've given you a clue. But never mind. Can you tell Trimo what and his friends about this word, imba? Zvinoenderana nekuti makakwidza izwi here kana kuti rakaderera. Imba zvinoreva imba, house, kana kuti imba kuimba, rwiyo. Saka imba tinoperengera zvakafanana asi zvichireva zvinhu zviviri zvakasiyana, zvichienderana nekuti tashandisa izwi iri papi. Oh, thanks, Gogo. You really have very helpful. I like this game. We've got another word here. We've got tsika. What do you know about tsika? Gogoka. Tsika zvinoreva culture. Culture. Magariro edu vanhu vechishona tinoati itsika dzedu, tsika dzedu, our culture. Zvakare tsika zvinoreva kutsika patinotsika tichifamba, kufamba kuti ufamba kwatinoita zvati tichiti di nemutsindo tiri kutsika. Saka tsika zvinoreva mazwi, nzvimbo zvinoshandiswa pamazwi akasiyana pairi, kureva kuti kufamba kana kuti culture. Gogo, I heard you grew up on a farm. So I know one of the meaning of this word very well. The next word on our list is furo. What do you know about furo? Gogo munovhunzisisa wemi. Furo zvinoreva kuti ukanga wakadzikisa izwi rako wakati furo, zvinoreva unofurira mombe. Kwatinoenda mombe tichinodzichengeta dzichidya uswa kuti dzigokura, kumafuro rinonzi furo. Asi zvakare izwi iroro kuti furo, tikange takakwidza zwi redu tikati furo, zvinoreva furo runobuda mumukanwa memunhu. Fanika munhu uya kana achirwara netsviyo akapunzika anobuda mate mukanwa make umu, iroro rinonzi furo. Zvakare furo iroro Gogo handiti zviya kana tichiwacha mukaisa sipo mukafambisa ruoko rwenyu kudai kunoita chinopupuma chechi, rinonzi furo zvakare. Saka furo rinoreva zvakawanda zvichingoenderana nekuti mashandiswa izwi irori papi pacho. These are very interesting, Gogo. The Shona language is so beautiful. Sadly, we've only got 2 more to go. I wish I could go on for longer, but we just don't have time. Next word is godo, Gogo. Godo rine pakanaka nepakashata. Ukanzi une godo zvinoreva kuti une utsinye, uri jealousy. Hazvina kunaka izvozvo. Kuti ukanzi une godo, aiwa, hachisi chinhu chakanaka mufunge ukanzi une godo. Sokuti ukanzi une godo zvakaipa, sokuti munhu haafanirwi kuva negodo. Asi godo zvakare tinogona kurishandisa chigodo chesipo, piece of soap, rinonzi godo. Kana kuti godo rinopuhwa imbwa, bhonzo. Handiti zvezvetienda anotenga nyama kubhucha ine mabhonzo, todya nyama iyayi, bhonzo riya rasara igodo.
ratokandirembwa kuti dzigotamba hadzo dzichin'en'ena dzichidya. Saka zvinongoenderana nokuti izwi iro rashandiswa papi zvakare semamwe mazwi ese atati tichingotaura. Gogo. That's so interesting. One word can mean two completely different things. I hope Trimoy is finding this useful. Okay. Now we've one last word. Futa. What do you think? Gogo imi. Mukati futa. Zvinoreva kuti munhu akafuta, munhu mukobvu, akasimba. Zvakare tikati haiwa naye mugogo zvandasvika pano inga munenge makangofuta, zvinoregona kureva futi kuti makangoshatirwa, sokuti makangofuta kungoti fundumwa, zvinoreva futa. Zvakare rinogona kureva kuti ukanotenga nyama kubhucha iya inenge ine zifuta nemafuta akawandisisa, woti nyama yandatenga nhasi ine mafuta akazowandisisa. Saka mazwi ayaya aiwa zvinongoenderana nokuti rashandiswa papi pacho gogo. Saka futa rinogona kureva futa renyama, futa kufuta, kana kuti futa kusimba, kana kuti kufuta. Munoziva zviya zvokuti tatiri pano pamusha tongoerekana taane muenzi, atoti futa, autotitora by surprise, angoerekana asvika tisingamutarisiri. Saka futa zvinoreva zvakawanda zvakasiyana siyana. Saka pataane meanings anokwana kuita 4 patogona kushandisa izwi rimwe chete rokuti futa. Futa, futa, kufuta, zvichingoenderana nekuti tashandisa papi pacho gogo. And you know what, Gogo? It's surprising that you ended on that note, because that's also taken me by surprise. This has ended much sooner than I thought, but we really have learned so much together. Let's see what Trimo has learned. Aiwa, chokwadi gogo, hande tinoona kuti Trimo adzidzei, hatibudei tiende tose.
What is denga?
Dang. Oh, heaven.
Heaven or
Sky.
sky?
Ruva, what does denga mean?
That means heaven above.
Thank you.
Denga means ceiling, sky, or heaven. Okay, bye.
So, Trimo, my grandchild, shall we go through what we learned today?
Yes, please, Gogo. I found it very interesting, but there's just so much to remember.
Yes, my grandchild, I know. So let us start. Shall we first we had mbudzi. This can mean goat. Zvichireva futi kuti November. November anonzi mbudzika. Saka mbudzi ndi goat kana kuti mwedzi wemugore. November. Then we had Zuva, which means days of the week or month or year. Zvichireva zvakare zuva izuva ratinoona mudenga umo, the sun, rinonzi zuva. Kana kuti kupisa tinoti kune zuva, tichireva kuti tiri kutsva. Yes, that's correct. Our next word was tsika, which means culture. Tsika zvakare zvinoreva kutsika kwatinoita tichifamba netsoka, tinotsika. I liked hearing about furo and how this means pastures. Furo zvinoreva futi zvakare kuti furo rinopupuma richibuda mukanwa makomo. Riya kana kuti munhu anenge aine chirwere chetsviyo, epilepsy, akapunzika anopupuma furo. Saka furo iroro kana kuti tichiwacha patinokwiza pepaya panobva papupuma furo. Saka furo rine pakawanda zvakare muzukuru. Imba is another of my favorite words because you know how much I love to sing. Aiwa zvichireva kunyangwe neimba yatinogara, imba yambuya ako Tremo, imba yandinofarira, imba kunyangwe imba iri panze iyo, imba yedu panze apo patinogara, imba, building. We spoke about godo, which means born. Godo. Ukanzi une godo, zvireva kuti une jerasi. Jerasi, haufarire kubudira kwamwanuka. Zvinotokusvota, rinonzi godo iroro. Zvakare, godo riya rinopuhwa imbwa, kana imbwa ichidya, inopuhwa godo kureva bhonzo. Bhonzo rinonzi godo zvakare. And then we finished with futa, which can just mean fat. Fat from meat, fat of a person. Zvichireva futi kuti kufuta munhu kana kuuya kunenge kwangu ungweri kana wangosvika taking me by surprise kunonzi kufuta. Zvakare munoziva here muchero uri pari paseri pemba uyo une mhodzi nhema uyo, idzodzo dzinonzi futa zvakare. Tinototora mashizha efuta tichiunganidza taumba kuita chibhora toisa mumvura inopisa tichitovesa mwana kana akuvara kuitira kuti asazvimba. Saka futa ine pakawanda zvakare.
Wow, Gogos, I really learnt loads from both of you today. I'm really glad I came, but I really hope you know what I mean when I tell you this next word.
What word is that, Tremo?
Well, Gogo, all of this learning has made me really hungry. Danin Sarah. Kasuwai shamwari dzangu, muri bohere. Maita maya kuzotamba nesu pano pa Sarura Kids pa YouTube. Ini ndinonzi Try More. Iwo nonzani? Ndafara nekukuziva. Nai shamwari yangu, unoziva here kuti mumwedzi wekukadzi tiri munguva yechando kuno ku-UK. Munguva yechando tinoona chando chichidonha kubva kudenga. Handi tinotamba neshamwari dzedu anonavongai kuScotland kwavanogara. Chando chakadonha nezuro kuno kuScotland. anonavongai vabuda panze kuti vanotamba muchando. Vasikana vaviri ava vanofarira chando nemazvo. Kana muchibuda panze kunotamba muchando, munofanirwa kupfeka hembe dzinodziya. Anonavongai vanopfeka mabhachi avo anodziya. Vabuda vakapfekazve majombo avo. Hapana chando kana mvura chinokwanisa kupinda mumajombo avo. Anonavongai vanopfeka futi ngowani yeshinda kuti vasapindwe nechando. Onai magravs evasikana ava. Vanokwanisa kubata chando kana vakapfeka magravs avo. Anonavongai vanofarira kumhanya panze muchando. Vanofarira kugara musledge vachidhonzwa nevabereki vavo. Onai ano achikanda mabhora echando kune vabereki vake. Chando chinotonhora, asi kana akapfeka magrovhisi ake haapindwe nechando. Anonavongai vari kugadzira chidhori chechando. Vanokungurutsa chando chiri pasi kudakara chagadzira bhora huru. Ano ari kukungurutsa bhora rake rechando. Vongai ari kukungurutsa zibhora zihombe rechando. Rinenge riri kumuremera. Kana vagadzira mabhora maviri echando, baba vanosumudza rimwe bhora voritsveta pamusoro perimwe. kabhora kechitatu ndiko kachazoita musoro wechidhori chavo. Chidhori ichi chechando chiri kudawo maziso. Anonavo ngai vanoisa maziso ematombo. Ngatinhongei matombo tiise pachidhori chechando. Vasikana vaviri vawana zvitanda zvekuisa pachidhori chavo. Chidhori chavo chava nemaoko. Anonavo ngai vanofarira kutamba muchando. Asi kana kwatanga kudziya chando chinonyongovera. Tinosara nemvura ichiyerera kunge rukova. Tafara nekuona anonavo ngai vachitamba muchando munguva yechando muScotland. Imi muri kuita sei mumwedzi wakukadzi kwamuri shamwari dzangu? Tiratidzeiwo mifananidzo yenyu paInstagram nepaTwitter. Mutiteverewo pano paSarura Kids paYouTube. Muye kuzotamba neni neshamwari dzangu Eddie naKwazi. Muva nezuva rakanaka. A, B, C, D. Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. Oh, you're Tina and Tim, aren't you? I'm Quazzy. And is this your friend? What's your name? Well, you guys just caught me doing my ABCs. I wanted to play a super fun game. Do you want to join in? Well, this game is easy. So, I've got all these letters on my magic spinning wheel, right? I was wondering if I can come up with the names of different countries that start with these letters. Do you think you can help me? That's brilliant! Come on, let's do it! But wait a minute. We should also try to come up with one thing that you can find in that country that starts with that letter. My super duper robot can help.
Hello, Quazzy.
Right, 3 spins starting now. Let's go. Spin 1. M. Woohoo! Look where we are! Robot Buddy, where are we and what can you tell us about it?
Quazzy, we are in Mozambique. Mozambique is an African country that is right next door to Zimbabwe. Its other neighbours are South Africa, Swaziland, Malawi and Zambia. It also has a very large coastline where you can find some popular beaches like Tofo. You can also find offshore marine parks along the coast of Mozambique. One of the largest marine parks of the Western Indian Ocean is off the coast of northern Mozambique. The Karimbas National Park is 7,500 square kilometers, and 1,522 square kilometers of this is designated a marine protected area. Marine parks help marine life, they promote marine awareness, and they help local communities and indigenous people. The Karimbas Islands are a great place to visit for kayaking, diving, snorkeling, as well as visiting Ibo Island. The capital city of Mozambique is Maputo. Mozambique has a population of about 31,255,435 people in 2020. The closest African country in population is Angola. Although Portuguese is the official language of Mozambique, most people speak Swahili, Makua, or Sena.
Do you know anything from here that starts with that letter?
Yes, Kwazi, actually, I do have a fantastic word for you that begins with M. Marimba. The marimba is an instrument popular amongst the Chopi people of Mozambique. You can also find it in Zimbabwe, where your friends Eddie and Trimore are from. It's a magnificent percussion instrument with a very unique sound.
Thanks, Robot Buddy. That's really interesting. Isn't that great for a first spin? What do you think, you guys? I definitely didn't know that. Did you? Robot Buddy, do you know the Shona word for it?
Actually, Kwazi, I do not know if marimba is a Shona word or not, because the marimba is also found in Zimbabwe. It is also called marimba when it is in Zimbabwe.
Alright, Robot Buddy, where are we off to next? Let's spin the wheel and... spin 2. C. Oh wow, this is amazing! How did we get here? I like the spinning wheel game. I'm learning so much with all of this. Robot Buddy, where are we and what can you tell us about it?
Kwazi, we are now in Cape Verde. Cape Verde is an archipelago of islands off the coast of Africa. There are 10 volcanic islands, and together they make up Cape Verde. Although Cape Verde is geographically in Africa, it has a special relationship with Europe through trade. It has a population of just around 555,987. That's just over 3,000 more people than the city of Manchester in England. The capital city of Cape Verde is Praia. Cape Verde is supposedly one of the most democratic and developed countries in West Africa. You will find some of the most beautiful beaches in the world in Cape Verde. It even has an uninhabited island, Santa Lucia, which you can only reach from Callao. Cape Verde has 350 warm sunny days a year, making it great weather for taking a winter holiday. The official language in Cape Verde is Portuguese, although a lot of Cape Verdeans speak Creole on a day-to-day basis.
Do you know anything from here that starts with that letter?
Yes, Kwazi, I do. The national dish of Cape Verde is cachupa. There are many variations to this delicious dish. Cachupa is a slow-cooked stew made of beans, mashed maize, onions, green bananas, manioc, sweet potatoes, squash, and yams. Manioc balls or cassava balls are very common in Cape Verde. For a meaty variation, you can also add fish, meat, or even mortdella.
Robot, do you know the Shona word for that?
No, Kwazi, I'm afraid I don't know what cachupa could possibly be in Shona. All I know is that if I had taste buds, I would definitely want to try a plate of that.
Thanks, Robot Buddy, that was really interesting. We're going to carry on and do our third and final spin. Here we go. Spin 3. D. Oh wow, how did we get here? Robot Buddy, where are we and what can you tell us about it?
Quasi, we have landed in Denmark in Europe. The official name of Denmark is the Kingdom of Denmark. That means it crowns a king or a queen. The current monarch is Queen Margaret II. Denmark is made up of the peninsula of Jutland and an archipelago of more than 400 islands. About 70 of these islands have people living on them. The Kingdom of Denmark also includes the self-governing territories of the Faroe Islands and Greenland in the North Atlantic Ocean. Denmark is the smallest as well as most southerly and most low-lying of the 3 Scandinavian countries. The Scandinavian countries are Norway, Sweden, and Denmark. Denmark has a population of about 5,792,202 people in 2020. That's about 292,000 people more than the country of Scotland in the United Kingdom. The capital city of Denmark is Copenhagen. The official language of Denmark is Danish Dansk. No matter where you are in Denmark, you will never be more than 31 miles from the sea. Denmark has 4,545 miles of coastline. That's great for visiting the seaside or going fishing. Because there are so many islands, you will also find lots of bridges in Denmark. But even though there are so many well-constructed bridges, there are still some islands that you can only reach by boat or aeroplane. The Danish flag is red with a white Scandinavian cross. It is the oldest flag in the entire world. During a battle in 1219 in Estonia, the flag is supposed to have fallen from the sky itself. The Danes were about to lose the battle, but when they saw the sign from the heavens, they got new energy and they went on to win. Every year on the 15th of June, the Danish people celebrate the flag's birthday.
Do you know anything from here that starts with that letter?
Well, Quasi, I know how much you love playing Duplo. Did you know that Duplo is from the company Lego? And Lego was invented in Denmark.
Robot, do you know the Shona word for that?
Quasi, Duplo means duplicate. Because Duplo bricks are twice the length, twice the height, and twice the width of traditional Lego bricks, they are easier for little kids to handle. They are also less likely to be swallowed. Duplicate in Shona is Zokororo.
You know what, you guys? I'm having so much fun with this. Why don't we do just one more spin? We've discovered so many fantastic things already. This next one's got to be good. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Spin 4. N. Robot Buddy, where are we now?
Well, Quasi, we have landed in the vibrant and exciting country of Nigeria in West Africa. The name Nigeria was taken from the Niger River that runs through the country. This name was coined in the late 19th century by the British journalist Flora Shaw. Nigeria has a population of about 206,139,589, making it nearly 3 times the population of the entire United Kingdom.
Hey, where do my friends go? They were right here a minute ago. Did we leave them in the last place?
Initiating Tina and Tim recovery sequence. Initiating Tina and Tim recovery sequence.
Tina? Tim? Where did you go?
Scanning
Oh my
demo.
goodness! Where did your friend go?
Friends not found. Scanning Cape Verde. Scanning Cape Verde. Scanning Cape Verde. Friends not found. Initiating. Where did Tina and Tim go? Where did their friend go? Scanning Mozambique. Find out next time on episode 5 of Tina and Tim. Showing on All Things Zoe 2015, right here on YouTube. Friends Not Found.
Eddie, Quasi and Chimo. Good boy, kinda meaning. Yeah, I'm bored. Yeah, me too. But my mum says it's going to rain today, so we can't go out. We've got to do something indoors. I know. Let's play news report. I'll be the reporter. Quasi get to Cool, let's sit behind the news desk. Yay! Come on, Eddie.
What is rain?
Rain is some little drops that are wet and is water.
Rain is from the sky and it's formed from the clouds.
Rain is little drops that come from clouds and splash onto the floor.
We are now going live to Trimore, who is standing outside.
Hello, Quasi. Hello, Eddie. Yeah, I'm standing outside today, and even though we're supposed to have rain, I can't see anything at all. It's a beautiful day.
Nothing at all?
Nope, nothing at all. But don't worry, if it does rain, I've got the wellies that you gave me.
My jumbo on the Quasi.
Yeah, Eddie, my jumbo. My feet are staying proper dry today.
So tell us, Trimore, what do you see where you are? Trimore, what one actually call it, Coco?
I see trees.
Meet trees?
Can you see them?
Yes, I see them. And wow, no, no. Miti yana mashisha kazonaka nai. Kumichima batarachi.
What are trees good for? Well, there's lots of things really. We need them when it's raining or the weather's not too good. You can stay under them to stay out the sun or out the rain.
Yeah, kana kokanai notice that pass pe muti. Yeah, me too. Komukaze msango.
Well, we have lots of animals that live in the woods. Here we've got big ones like deer.
Membwe.
Yeah. They can all find in the membwe. But deer and antelope are different. I've seen red deer here and fallow deer before. Deer love woods like these ones. There's plenty of shelter from the wind, so we see deer here all year long. There's also lots of food that they like, and they can get in the woods or on the farm just down the road.
Wow, that sounds great. You mean the farmer just gives them food?
Yeah, the farmer just cuts down crops so they can have food when it's cold. We've also got other animals like foxes, badgers, moles, lots and lots of things really. And then we've got all sorts of birds like kites, sparrows, pigeons.
Jiva, ini ndozofarira njiva sterek manje. Ndaimbodzichengeta kumba kwagogo wangu. Waidzipa modzi dzekudya.
Yeah, pigeons like seeds and other things that they find in the woods. Bears like to make nests in the trees where it's nice and safe. And then they come down and try and find some food like seeds and worms for their babies.
Mino?
Yeah, chicks.
Saka miti yakatozara zvizhinji nai. Taingoti hameno mashizha aichinja nokuti taamuzhizha.
Yeah, the trees are amazing. It's summer, you're right. So in summer, the leaves go green, and if the trees have fruits, then those fruits start to come out. But they need the rain to be able to grow and make all those delicious fruits that we love.
What are some of your favourite fruits, Eddie? Ini hangu ini ndinofarira tsuvhu, mazhanje, matowe, mauyu, nengeni, matufu, maonde, nyi, masau, acha, wow, those sound delicious. I can't wait to eat them one day.
Yeah, Kwasi, you will. They're everywhere in Zimbabwe. But wait a minute. I think it's starting to rain here. Your mum was right after all. I've got to go home now. I'll see you later.
Thanks, Trimore. That was great. The trees are going to be so happy when they get that rain. See you inside.
Ruva, why do we need rain?
We need rain because so that all the trees can be hydrated, and so can we, and we can bath in water. And so that we can drink too, so that we can stay hydrated, and so that the fish can swim and live.
To help the flowers grow.
What else?
I don't know. We need rain so they can it can water all of the flowers and grass.
What's your favorite thing to do when it's raining?
My favorite thing to do when it's raining is just stay inside and watch my TV and sometimes come outside. I play my scooter and I play with my skipping rope and I play with my pogo stick and I play with my sand, and that's it.
I like to splash into puddles and play loads of games like Tig, hide and seek, and back to base.
Play muddy puddles and go on wet slides and play my umbrella. Yeah, definitely.
Wow. I never knew how important trees are to everything. I know, right? All the things that trees do. They keep us dry, they keep us cool. Nemhuka dzesango tinodziwana waimo manditi. Shiri dzinogadzira dende mumuti futi handiti. Asi tinowana futi michero kubva mumuti. Yeah, I love fruits. My mum shows me the right fruits to eat. Yeah, that's right. You should only eat the fruits that the grown-ups tell you to eat. And it's great that we've got so many yummy fruits all around us all year long from lots of different trees. True, yeah, we love trees. And trees love rain!